West Karbi Anglong Dongkamukang Waisong Stadium along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM lapen team Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at tumpen Kahumridam. Indian Army Red Horn Division Hamren Pen School along Asanasana Hormu Kirap. Dhansuri Auto Rickshaw Association at tumpen Dhansuri Pen Messi Bailam an kachaling at tuwar kasalam asay kedeng. Kardom Karbi Prime Time along penili Wilburn Trophy non beer tang ton pen arjek tha West Karbi Anglong District Dongkamukang Waisong Stadium along Pai Kunini Pai Cricket Thamani Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM lapen team Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at tumpen Kahumridam birta Card News sa hemong perangke pen birta nang pali West Karbi Anglong District Dongkamukang Waisong Stadium along Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM tuliram rong hang lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council team at tumpen Stadium Kim Kirang Pon Bomadi Malong Kahumridam Labang So Stadium Pining Suri Hinira Trainer Kep Aningkat Kikim Kirang Patang Sinang Kileji Matijojik Lokang Pupon Japan Kachisik Pon Pado Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM tuliram rong hang pen Dongkamukang Waisong Stadium along Kahumridam Hut Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Lok Kitimung Pen Cheng Lok EM MSC lapen pen at kitheding agum ta chitong don Indian Army Red Horn Division Hamren atum pen chipatir pi ponsi phai kunini phai krihini arni Hamren arong supi arlokido Sarik Pator Memorial English School along Damsi asanason kerap ki pajer sai ki pato pona birda card news pherang ke Hamren pen birta nang pale Hamren along Boha kedo Indian Army Red Horn Division atum pen school along Asana hormu keron kiri kakuru asai penan pata hawar arlu kaching thur amu along kachirap kachito dina saita akinang sot lasi Indian Army Red Horn Division Hamren hin pen bang so sai deng pon lopsi Lieutenant Prashant Pandey pen lam theke jai hut nengje
I would like to welcome each one of you on behalf of all ranks of 3rd Battalion the 6th Regiment, especially MLA sir, EM sir, OSD sir. As part of our rituals, we have made it a part that other than our normal operations, we do operations that make our perception towards civilians better. But because at the end of the day, it is the civilians we are working for. And these children who are the brighter future of our society, this is our small bit to help them in their endeavor to study better with better equipments. So this particular Ops Sadbhavna which is organized in Sarik Pator Memorial English School is a part of continuance of this legacy.
Bangsoja Megalong 20 number by Talang MLA Dr. Mansing Longpi EM Rup Singh Teron Lapen Hamren Branch Secretariat OST Suna Singh Terao Tumta Chitong Dun Mailong Army atumpen Labuson Methang Asai Penan Parta Kachari Au Sumarapan Kerap Ki Pajir Asai Kedeng Tekapon Kachuro Pajir Pon
Since we know very little about the army, I hope that some of the students will eventually join the army. We are having a shortage of around 14 or 16,000 officers, especially of the rank of captain and major. Of course, we are in peacetime. But army is not something that we should look upon with apprehension. Army is here, our friend. They are here to restore normalcy. And we want normalcy at all costs. We don't want all the troubles that have taken place. Of course, thanks to the army and the operations they have carried out, by and large, West Karbi Anglong is now peaceful. And I hope that we will help the army to maintain the peace. The army alone has done a lot, but we can do more by being of help. Especially, we should restrain our youth from taking the wrong paths, taking up arms or going for extortion or other criminal activities. And plus, when information is required by the army, we should furnish the information.
Kadukawe bench decks, chort home cap secretary table plea, secretary chair plea, filter hini lapen, whiteboard hini pipajir pon. Nodhajong Dokmoka Anjolik Gorkha Welfare Society Hinben Suri Hinira Trainer Cap Aninkana Parman Tihar Utsav Celebration Dekachang Nepali Community Hall along Catalan Ponabirta Perangke Pen Kat Nisasa Hemalong Birta Nang Pale Tihar Puke Gorkha Khayangbong Kithena Festival Laso Festival ke Durga Puja Phisi Talon Pon Lapen Nipo on Arni ke Hot Pon Padu Lani po on arni ke hot apon tangang bong. Katalan pon arong aji mati tihar mokhalaki kak tihar pokagapan. Kukur tihar laki methana phan. Gai tihar laki chainong apia phan. Guru tihar laki chainong alo phan lapen. Bai tika laki jirfi feka ching hona phan. Bai tihar mate di thom ke chok arni pen ke adon lam se kilon ke kan chenguri pong si pen si aning chiparong bon rinti. Tihar ke plang alamo ki jut si arni AMSS hoja district committee pen literature secretary Khugendra Dahalahin pen than pajirmi pon. Labang swajai mek DAGWS mai phu tilok prasad result pen si sayang deng to anta sai deng pon. Nomalam sopor pan bir tamang taponik sina. Please step in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhilan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Come one, come all. Grand opening of Bazaar India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar India. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk Thelua kreng Chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people that beer talong bangtholo Dhansuri MSC constituency ke parlang kang phaikuni ni phaikreni ani Dhansuri auto rickshaw association at numpen Dhansuri pen Messi bailam an kacheleng atawar ka salam pona beerta katnu salam pherang ke pen beerta nang pali Dhansuri hithi ang kang kacheleng atawar akrong tinta ke me par pedat ajok rat atum pen an kacheleng aphan kisung chichak nang rintilo kacheleng atawar ke me me ajok kacheleng aphan jasemet pen kisuk kiun ehud ason kachepon kachewana phan Thedunga ka tora raktum chetong nanglo kidam tang ari dar kisu ka chelang aphan ronga pahar siding pen Dhansurian auto rickshaw pen kachewan bom ahut towar ke meme thekte ka jok toware began kisu ka chelang atuma phan ki utika biurta long paklang ponlo
সেক্রেটারি হয় মই নিজেও অটো ড্রাইভার করো আমার ইয়াতে রাস্তাবোৰ বহুত প্রবলেম হৈ আছে আমার ঠিক মতে পেছেঞ্জারক মানে সঠিক টাইমত আগ ড্রপ কৰি দিব নোৱাৰা ৰাস্তাবোৰ পৰিস্থিতি এনেকুৱা বেয়া হৈ গৈছে ৰাস্তাবোৰ ভাঙি চিঙি গ'ল আৰু ঠিক সময়মতে পেছেঞ্জাৰ আমি ড্ৰপ নিবৰ কাৰণে পেছেঞ্জাৰৰ লগত আমি কেতিয়াবা মাৰ খাবলগীয়া হয় বা আমি গালিও খাওঁ PWD ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ কোনো নাই আমি গোটেই আমি অটো এছ'চিয়েশ্যন বা অটো ড্ৰাইভাৰ মিলিহে এইটো কামটো আমি এতিয়া কৰি আছোঁ ইয়াত আমাৰ কোনো কাৰ আণ্ডাৰৰ এই PWD ৰাস্তাটো আছে এইটো আমি কাকো চিনি নাপাওঁ ইয়াতে এনে এইটো কোনোবা নহয় কোনোবা ইয়াৰ এটা মোহৰি বা কোনোবা ইনচাৰ্জটো আছে কোন হয় কোন আমি তাকে চিনি নাপাওঁ সেইদিনাখন যে মিটিঙত এই যে 1 তাৰিখত CM প্ৰগ্ৰামত মানে CM কৈ গৈছিলে আমাৰ ৰাস্তাটো মানে বনাই দিব কিন্তু এতিয়ালৈকে আমি কোনো একো আশা কৰা নাই এনেকুৱা মিটিঙত প্ৰায় মিনিষ্টাৰবিলাকে এনেকুৱা কৈ থাকে যে আমাক মানে ভোট দিয়ক আমাক জিকাওক আমি জিকাৰ পিছত আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ সুবিধাখিনি সন্মুখীন কৰি দিম ৰাস্তা বনাই দিম হেন তেন কৈ মানে ডাঙৰ ডাইলগ কৰি যেতিয়া জিকাৰ পিছত আমালৈ চাবলৈ কোনো গুৰি নাহে
Kacheleng kisung pen asap bak ke Jogja phan para Dhansuri auto rickshaw association atum pen patirpi ponsi Dhansuri pen Messi bailam an kacheleng atawar kasalam pona sai kede Kidamtang phaikuni phai krisi arni pen number 3 Chinthong MSC constituency ke parlang kang Jaluklang teng pathok lamalong suri hini rakhenar kep aning kana bha kicheng siang deng MSC cup football tournament ke pathu ke pangcheng pon birta katnu salong birta nang pale ke pathu ke cheng arni long e luboi pinpo local committee la pen Jaluklang teng local committee atum ang bongsi pathu ponlo bangsu ke pathu along aluhi sarpo aman pen Chinthong constituency MSC mate EM Pradip rong piche tong dun la pen aluhi aman pen VDC chairman Khorsing Senar pen cheng long pen an kachapha pon aluhi atum che tong dun si RDP dun bangsu ke pathu along akang saidun abang phumate referee lake Jonis Lekthe la pen line referee atum lake Rajib Bongrung la pen Aferson Intia tum pen si langchari dun lo Chinthong constituency along MSC Cup football tournament ari civic angbong long trok adim ke pathu pathik ponlo Jaluklang teng polling station Langtuk Apam Kungri P polling station Rongjangphong polling station Umlapher polling station Hawang polling station pen Umtili polling station lalong trok adim si pathik ponlo Kichengsi ke pathu ponalong long e lubui polling station atum pen ball pum thaman thaplo sitame Jaluklang teng polling station atum pen ball ipum nata ke thap thekthedat ajok long e lubui polling station atum pen si bangso ke pathu chipahai ponlo Alhi sarpo aman pen kachitong dun EM rong pi pen mai along lam theke jai pon ke kibang jan ingkan mate suri hinira crazer kep anikan pen ki risoi jangatu football kachipate Chinthong constituency ki parlangkang polling station crate rock si along ta football ke pathu bipon edg pusi lam the jai pon Karbi prime time birta bangela panskang ton moniglo dome thakme korong thu